Soldering iron. Well, Radio Wild, I'm going to put you out of business. Model 8200. It's got the nuts that hold the heating element in place. I like buying these at garage sales for $5. What am I doing? I'm fixing this AM/FM Sylvania radio. Solid state, made in Japan. I ripped off the antenna wire, so I just soldered it back on. It took exactly 2 seconds. And now I'm going to crimp a little piece of metal back into the special plastic. So Radio Wild, you're out of business. You got competition, buddy. Never knew what all these little things did, but I guess you do. Hitachi, little parts, antenna, circuit boards. Pretty simple radio. I like these old radios. Remind me of the old times. I guess that's what they're good for. And this black grill does nothing. Speakers on top. Wonder what year it was made. 1973 maybe? 8 ohms. Anyhow, we'll put this thing back together and we'll see how it works in a minute. Little connections. Luckily my eyes still work, huh? Too bad my organizational skills are 0. Just pile it on the floor. Junk. Projects I'll get to one day, huh? I said I better do this right away, otherwise it'll be one of those projects. Yep. Using a 5-in-1 paint tool to tighten the little screw on the back. And let's see if it works. Thank goodness I have a tripod. Unplug the soldering iron. Plug in the tripod. Plug in the radio. And oh yeah.
So in the Palatine when shipped to Petersburg. This songbook.
I should have sprayed in some contact cleaner. I actually have some.
The leaden bullet still in its crate.
Not bad.
From shredding his heart. It was a little. For experience. You were. I ain't gonna say.
Contact cleaner. Oop. Tuner's a bit sticky too. No, well, I'll save it for another day. Mission accomplished, more or less. Need some junk? I got it. Tons of it. Everywhere. Alright, here it is. CRC electrical grade QD contact cleaner. Yeah, I bet you get a good high if you sniff this stuff. So I figured I'd show you. If I put this thing aside, I'll never get to it. You just spray this crap and you hope and pray. Contact cleaner. Oh yeah, yummy. I guess it cleans the contacts. Got some dust on the contacts. What I'll never understand is why some radios go for 1,000,000 years without needing a spray, and others need a spray after a year. Dusty conditions or just junk. Guess it wouldn't hurt to spray the tuner little wheels. Wonder who threaded all these things on back in 1973. All these little parts in a radio that only costs a few bucks. Let's plug her in, see if it explodes. Ooh, douse it. Oh, one of the little fingers broke off the tuner. Thingamajiggy. Something glued. Oh, it's supposed to be glued on. Oh, I see. Still tuned, just doesn't indicate where it is. There's no FM antenna. Oh, the static. Static is gone. Cool. All these little parts. Cool, huh? Little brass pieces. I'll spray a bit more. I'll soak it and blow it up. Good, good, good. Very good. Lots of good spray. Alrighty. I'll put it back together. All right, I crazy glued the needle back into position on the string, and
This is new territory, and awkwardness is to be expected.
there it is.
Does the UN have the right to take sides in a revolutionary conflict?
33
The opposition were mainly drawn along tribal lines or espoused an Islamist agenda
Cool.
of jihad. in
Islamist. Jihad. Yeah, no negotiation.
And wisdom,
Bastards.
not hysteria and
All right,
divisive.
gotta get to work. More junk. Got junk everywhere.